Good morning, everybody. Chris and Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to day 5 and our final day here at Walt Disney World. Today we are doing Hollywood Studios. We're going to be going to Olga's Cantina to have a little Jamba Juice. Tiffany wants to hit up the Villains show. She's a big fan of Villains and Maleficent. Makes you wonder. Maybe she's the villain, but we know she's not. But yep, so we are just waiting for our ride. We're going to head over to Hollywood Studios. We're going to get our day started. Not going to be a super long day today. We got a long drive back home, and we got feet that are hurting, legs that are rashed up. It's been an adventure. But no rain in the forecast today, so that is a plus.
Yes.
Because we were wet after yesterday's live and the fireworks. So off to Hollywood Studios we go. And here comes our transportation. Tiffany's absolute favorite way to travel. She wants to make her truck look just like this. All right, we have made it to Hollywood Studios. You can see the Skyliner station there. They're all coming in. We're going to head up here, go through security, and head into the park. All right, we are officially inside Hollywood Studios.
What happened to your ears really bad?
Now we got to see where Tiffany wants to go first. She is heading this way. She's going to head into Mickey's of Hollywood. Get her souvenir on first thing. Hollywood and Vine. You got the Primetime 50s Cafe coming up. You got the SS down the hatch. You got the Indiana Jones Stunt Spectacular. It's one of the shows here at Hollywood Studios. Vacation Fun, an animated short. Here Train. Then we have Star Tours, because everybody should start their day off with some Star Wars. We got to come around the corner just to see this guy. Right there. We have a scene from Endor. So I think we'll start right here. All right. I love the sound effects that come along with it. C-3PO.
R2, I seem to be getting an unusual reading from the binary motivator. And perhaps we should run a systems check.
Yeah, C-3PO. And then R2 is up there.
Attention please. Galactic Security would like to provide you.
To Gavin 4, home of the secret evil base. Oops. Home of the previously.
More droids.
Where you at? Just fire team.
So we just finished Star Tours. There was no recording on the ride. So we got the queue line coming in and the exit. But yeah, couldn't record during the ride. And now we're in the first of many Star Wars gift shops here in the park. You got the Sci-Fi Drive-In Restaurant, the Baseline Tap House, and of course Like all the parks, it's also currently under construction, building some new items. And we're going to keep heading this way towards Batu. Pluto's out and about doing his thing this morning. Then you have Rise of the Resistance. It's already quite a line. Of course, we have an X-Wing over here. Well, there's Mando heading off that way.
I'll see him again later.
Didn't really get a good look at him before he went away. But we'll catch up with him later. I'm going to continue to head in here. All right, we're now in Black Spire. We got droids and all of the shops. Here is the creature shop. Did you see anything interesting? And we come around, and there is the Millennium Falcon. All right, so we are heading into Smugglers Run. It's only got a 25-minute wait. Shot of the Falcon. You're getting serviced in the repair bay. And back up this way we go.
Vent those fuel lines.
We got top of the Falcon.
Oh, hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I lead flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy.
All right, we are heading into the Falcon. We get to be pilots.
Take off his bags at the side. The sky is way. Pilots up on face to face side by side.
Ooh.
Look at this. Take off his bags. Simon, happy birthday.
Ooh. You sit there and play some games. There's Tiffany. Want to play?
No.
I recommend you let the Wookiee win.
Okay.
Welcome, my friends. Right this way. Nothing to be afraid of yet. Just kidding. A brand new flight. Good looks, but to be sure, I will pick up.
Right, is that agree?
Yeah. Into the cockpit of the Falcon. I'm so excited. That was so much fun. Loved it. Tiffany tore up the Falcon. She is the worst space pilot ever. Baby.
What?
Keep going. Apparently you do not know how to fly a Corellian freighter.
No.
They're gonna take your space license away.
That's okay. I'll give it to him.
Of any value. Troopers! I want recon and patrol units questioning anyone who finds this.
Of course, we have all of droids. All right, so we're gonna head back around. Let's go head back towards Olga's Cantina. Now that you've wrecked the Millennium Falcon, we need a drink. Non-alcoholic. Too hot. Plus, I just saw the way you drove. You don't need booze. No, none for you. So we have Ray. So Ray is headed off, chit-chatting and talking. All right, you ready? What are you saying? I think 3PO lost his head. Honey, 3PO lost his head.
Yes.
Or lost his body. See his head.